I wasn't peeking. Ah! Oh, thank you.
Is that better?
Yes. Now I will kiss you.
Well, a deal's a deal. And you guys did it. We got to 1,000 subscribers. And I told Tiff, if we got to 1,000 subscribers, I'd trim the beard. And I'd let her do it. So this is your fault. But here we go.
I've never done this before.
Hold on. Should I take off my shirt?
Yeah, probably.
I don't want to get hair all over it. Okay.
Never thought you noticed. Thought that you should know I'm already sure.
I can't cut you, right?
Nope. So I usually use a 2 on my beard. I put a 3 on. So we'll see what that looks like.
Am I doing all of it?
Yep.
Oh, this is what. This is like.
So I was trying to remember last time I shaved. And what happened was
Stop talking.
we went to the Keys and I shaved after the Keys.
Yeah.
And I had a really bad tan line.
Oh, yes.
And so I was like, I'm not going to shave now. And that was a month ago. Is it satisfying for you?
Yes. This right here. We were at the store and he was like, we could get trimmers or I could get some conditioner and stuff.
I could get some beard oil.
Beard oil. I was like, mm-mm.
Get a beard straightener.
Some dry shampoo.
Wow.
They do all that stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm sure, man.
Stop talking, I don't care.
Glad we're doing this outside, not in our itty bitty bathroom.
Yeah.
With you, my mind is clear.
What do you think?
I think there's a lot left to go.
You want it to be shorter? Do you want it all the way gone?
Oh, well, I thought our agreement was this was gone and just your goatee was there.
Oh, well, then. You doing anything?
Yeah, I got like a big spot right here.
Oh.
So I think you need to go in and make sure I don't mess up the goatee.
Okay, so we'll be right back.
Yay! I'm not gonna kiss you.
You're not gonna kiss me?
No. I love you. I'll kiss you when you're done.
Okay.
After you shower.
Okay.
Trying to impress me, pulling out all the stops.
I wasn't thinking.
Dizzy, when you tell me
Ah! Oh, thank you.
Is that better?
Yes. Now I will kiss you.
So, thank you guys so much.
Yes.
She appreciates it. I don't know if I do.
You do. We're so thankful for all of your support and encouragement and love and prayers, and so thankful to be at 1,000 and growing, all for God's glory.
And let us know. We're going to do a 2-month or maybe a 3-month update at this point. 3-month update. We've been on the road almost 3 months now.
No, 3 months will be January 15th.
Almost 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're halfway to that 3rd month from the 2nd.
Yeah.
So we're almost at 3 months. So leave in the comments, what are some questions you want us to answer?
Yes.
Because we want to do a 3-month update and
Yes.
answer your questions. So, are you curious about budget? Are you
Yeah.
curious about,
How do you flush an RV toilet?
I
It's
mean,
different.
whatever. We will answer your questions because we have been on the road 3 months. So that basically makes us pros.
No.
So let us know in the comments what things you want to know about, and we will answer your questions soon. Thanks so much. We'll see you real soon.
See you real soon.
is clear.